y'all. Hey, welcome back. So this is a spoiler alert, a little sneak peek at the stuff that was in my advent calendar. Now I couldn't fit everything that I wanted to in this box, because like some of the numbers are like the boxes are so small that I couldn't like get everything that I wanted inside of those. Like 3, like 8, 10, and 4. It was like one of the smaller size, and I barely made this one fit. For the first box, I did leave some prices of some of the stuff, but not all of it. Like some of the major items, I left prices on, because a couple people was making comments about it not being worth it and all that. But this box is generally like $300 worth of product in here, and it was only priced at $130. So I am just gonna be showing y'all some of the stuff that's the entire calendar. But for the ones who purchased it and got the calendar, what I am gonna do is I haven't decided if I want to give away like my nail lamp or my nail drill. Y'all comment down below. Even the ones who didn't purchase, just comment down below which one I should give. So yeah, for the people that bought it, I'm just gonna like do a spin the wheel and go about it that way. But for the most part, I think everything was, very decent, very nice. I just wish that the box was just a little bit bigger so I'm able to put more bigger items in there. A lot of the stuff is basically stuff that I love to use, and also it's mainly just my brand. I did add a couple things like Dream Nail Supply in there. A lot of people was asking me about my gel polishes, so I decided to throw them in there as well. These are the reflective set that I got. I got more, but I just really don't show them or whatever the case may be. Maybe in one of the videos I'll show y'all the other gel polishes I got. But for the most part, I'm just here unboxing, just showing y'all what the advent calendar look like. Not all advent calendars are the same, but you basically generally get the same type of items. But overall, all these products that's in this advent calendar is something that I 100% use and I love. And so, of course, I had to, put them all together and create a box. The box itself I got from Shein. I wish I would have did a little bit more research, because I even seen this box like this on Temu for like half the price. So I literally paid $30 just for the packaging. But it's okay. Overall, the box, I'm surprised it held up in shipping and all that good stuff. Hopefully all the ladies enjoy it, and I can't wait to see all the nail sets y'all create with them. But for the most part, yeah, I'm currently working on a New Year's collection. I'm thinking that this might be the New Year's one, might be my last doing it. So I want to do something really special, really big. I'm thinking about doing like whoever like wants the colors. I'll probably show y'all. What I'm gonna do is, how you do like collab videos and stuff like that. I'm just gonna see how many people will want. Free of charge, I'm gonna send out some colors to you to make a nail set with. You just get creative, just to bring in the New Year's with each other. All you have to do is literally pay $10 for the shipping, and that's about it. You're basically getting the collection for free. So if anyone's interested in that, leave a comment down below. And yeah, I'll try to get everything situated. And, it's going to only be a limited amount, because I can't make so many of all these colors and stuff. And not everyone will get the same things, because I want different type of nail set colors and stuff, basically like using the products that I made and trying to create like a New Year's type of nail set, or just a nail set in general, bringing in the year and stuff like that. But I'll probably get into that in a later video. We will see. But for the most part, I'm just unboxing this advent calendar that I did. And yeah, hopefully soon I'm finna get into doing a lot of like winter nail sets and stuff like that. I was actually thinking about doing like a 25 day of December, like Christmas nails, but I think that's like overboard for my channel. I don't think I'll be able to post consistently for like 25 straight days. I might would like post shorts on nail sets I do, but a full-on video wise, I don't think anyone would be interested in watching something like that. But for the most part, that's all I really have for today's video. It's just like a spoiler of what was in my mystery boxes. Of course, this is mainly like an acrylic box, and the rest of the stuff is just things to help you do a nail set. Now, of course, I did not include monomer because I didn't want things to happen just in case it busted and it got all over the products, because we are dealing with acrylic gels and stuff like that, and this is definitely like a safety hazard if I would have put monomer inside the box and tried to ship it, and it would just been a hot mess. But for the most part, I had fun. Yeah, it was stressful doing this advent calendar. I don't know if I would do it again. Who knows? But I'm thinking that this New Year's collection will probably be the last one, or I probably should do it like do it for a couple more months and end it for like a birthday type of collection when it comes next year. We will see how that goes. Let me know y'all thoughts. But for the most part, I'm gonna let y'all sit back and enjoy the rest of this unboxing, and I'll probably come back in towards the end. Alright, y'all. So yeah, I think what day we on? Like 17 or something. I don't remember. I can't see right now. Oh, we're on 15. So this is the Advent calendar. I'm just showing y'all. Is a total of 24. 25th is basically like the whole entire box. So on Christmas Day, you get all of this once you fully open it up. It took a lot of time and effort and patience to do this box, especially since you don't know what items will go where. I try to spread all the colors out and include some colors that will go nicely in the nail set together. But yeah, for the most part, y'all let me know what y'all think about my idea for the New Year's. It is going to be probably a limited amount, just so I don't overboard and do it. I want to make enough for everyone to try things out. I'll probably do a good 3 or 4 acrylics, just so you can be able to like do a nail set with them, and maybe I'll add some charms in and stuff like that. But we'll see how that goes. Y'all just leave some comments down below. But for the most part, that's all I have for y'all today. My next video, I'm gonna be showing y'all my Wicked inspired nails. But yeah, I probably released that on Friday. But that's all I have. I will catch y'all on my next. So don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see y'all when I see y'all. Until next time, bye.